Hi, so ano yung pwede mong gawin dito sa IMG Marketplace? So for this case, if member ka ng IMG, enter your agent code here. If hindi pa, so mas maganda member ka para ma-access mo to. Then click submit once na na-enter mo na yung agent code mo. So dito, na unang option is pwede ka mag-member sa IMG if non-IMG member ka pa. Meron din dito sa Pi, pag click mo siya, membership, real estate. So, same lang yung nagpapakita dito from here. So, be a member of IMG and nandito yung mga benefits. Kung PH base ka, 6,000. Pag OFW, around 10,000 plus, depende sa conversion rate. Yan. Pag exclusive mo siya, yan. Ito yung affiliate link. Then from here, pwede ka nang mag-DIY to become a member based dun sa country na located ka. Yan. Tapos dito naman, move back ko. The next one is real estate. Let's say for example, meron kang property or if you're looking for a property to buy, ganyan, mga pre-selling dito, buy, rent, sell, property, rent out. Nandito siya. So, pwede mo siya i-filter out based dun sa preference mo. Let's say, eto, for example. Tapos, ayan, nandiyan na rin yung mga projects, location, tapos pricing, floor area, etc. Yan, nandiyan siya. So, nandito yung mga requirements for the reservation, etc. Yan. Then, you need to fill up this one, then compute. So, yan, pwede mo siya i-DIY basically. Yan. Move back ko siya doon sa main page natin. And then the next one is auto program. If you're planning to purchase a car, brand new car, any model, any brand, so pwede mo rin siyang gawin through IMG auto program. Okay? Yan. And then the next one is life insurance. So if you're looking for term insurance, yan, nandito siya, or Everest, yung Memorial Solution, income replacement, so nandito din siya. You can DIY here. So just click this specific link na gusto mong matutunan or for quotation. Nandito siya. Similar to this one. Yan, just fill in the needed information, then click the continue with your proposal computation para mag-proceed siya further. So moving on. And then the next one is non-life insurance. So if you want to insure your properties like car, mga condo mo, bahay nyo, etc. Nandito rin siya. Okay, so you can DIY it here. Yan, pwede mong select yung year, model, brand, model, type, etc. So you can do this here. And then if you're looking for healthcare naman, for the long-term healthcare, so you can DIY it here as well. So ito yung 3-in-1. Basically, meron siyang healthcare na intended for immediate use, mga APE, dental, tsaka yung hospitalization, admission, tapos meron din siyang life insurance, tsaka investment. So basically, it's a 7 years to pay plan, tapos mako-cover ka all throughout. Yan. You can DIY it here. The next one is for investment naman. If you want to grow your money, so you can invest through IMG Soldibo Fund, Care of Ramber Financials, or Super PDF. Yan. So for the merchandise naman, if you're planning na bumili ng shirts, yung libro, hat, video book, etc. So nandito rin siya. You can choose ano ba yung preference mo, then from there, click the needed details, then pay. So the next one is medical clinics. dito yung mga Kaiser Medical Center. So just fill in the needed details, then procedure, specific clinics from here. Kunyari, pili ka dyan. Tapos nandito yung mga options for that. Fill in the needed details, then click request appointment. Then just follow the instructions further. Tapos, the last one is charity. So basically, IMG support several charities here. You can choose. Then you can give your donation through NeuraCash. Let's say for this one. Then enter your donation amount. Then click give now. Then follow the instruction provided there and pay.